My name is Graham Rowland. I'm the branch manager for Goldwagen Bellville, where we're going to take you through various steps of where you can find the best oil on the market. Welcome to the front of house of Goldwagen Bellville, as you can have a look at our magnificent team and how they serve our customers. End user gets their product. And let me take you through to the further part of the store where everything happens. Let's go. This is the telesales area. His name is Brandon, that's Niegel, that's George. Together they've got 100 years of experience of working in the auto parts industry.
I'm Brandon Riddles. I'm part of the telesales team. When people come here, then normally what they ask is which oil do their car use? When you don't know what you need for your car, which oil, we have an app where we check which oils are recommended for your vehicle. For instance, like a 5W40 or 5W30. Normally on BMWs is 5W30. So sometimes it's a customer preference. What he puts in is depending on the kilometers on the car. Wolf oil has all the additives that other oils don't have. So it's your preference. If you, say for instance, if you want to put the additive, you can. If you want to add another additive with it, but you don't need to.
The name is Niegel. I'm employed at Goldwagen Bellville telesales department. Not all oils are for the same reasons or specifics. At the one end we were on earlier on, those oils are just for your engines, which is, as my colleague explained, which is your 5W40s, your 10W40s, used for engines. This here is solely for gearboxes. All right, the difference in the numbers. So let's show you here. Over here we have which is also the Wolf brand oil. You notice you got your 10W40 there, you got a 5W40. The 10W or 5W, as I've said, that speaks about the viscosity of the oil at a cold temperature. Once it starts heating it reaches up to about 40 degrees or 30 degrees. So where you have your essential, you have your extend, you have your guard tech, all just with the various types of additives. When a customer comes in here and unsure of what oil to use, we could work it off the mileage of the vehicle, or alternatively, we would work on the specification from the dealer. It's important to know which oil to use in your vehicle, because using the wrong oil could result in lifter noise. It could also result in engine burn-up as well, and having to replace then all your oil pump, your pistons and all bearings which go with the engine components. I would suggest when you go to a garage just to put oil in your car, please give the guy the right viscosity for your vehicle.